Have you ever wondered why your smart home feels so dumb? You ask your speaker to turn on the lights, and it tells you it's working on that for 10 seconds before giving up. Or worse, you realize that every word you say in your living room is being sent to a cloud server to build an ad profile on you. Well, Apple is about to change everything. There is a secret AI device coming in 2026 that nobody is talking about, and it isn't a new iPhone or a VR headset. It's the new Apple TV. But this isn't just a box for Netflix anymore. Apple is transforming the Apple TV into the literal brain of your home. They are building a local server that is designed to kick Amazon and Google out of your house for good. The big secret behind the 2026 Apple TV is that it's becoming a headless computer. For years, we've heard rumors about Apple testing a device with a robotic arm and a screen. While that sounds like science fiction, the reality is much more practical. The Apple TV will sit in your cabinet as the powerhouse, while Apple launches cheap companion smart displays. Think of them as HomePads to place in every room. This is the Sonos strategy, but for your entire life. The Apple TV handles the heavy lifting, and the small screens show you the data. This setup fixes the biggest problem with smart homes today, the lag. When the brain is separated from the display, you get more power without the clutter. The reason your current smart speaker is so slow is that it has to send your voice to the cloud to understand it. The 2026 Apple TV changes that by using the A18 or A19 chip to run large language models locally. This is ChatGPT-level intelligence running right in your living room. When you tell your home to do something, it happens instantly because the data never leaves your house. This local processing isn't just about speed, it is the ultimate move for privacy. While other companies sell cheap speakers to harvest your data, Apple is positioning the Apple TV as a secure vault. It will store your security footage, your health data, and your private conversations locally where no one else can see them. This means no more worrying about who is listening to your dinner conversations, or where your camera footage is being stored. But the innovation doesn't stop at the software. The hardware is getting a massive magic mouse moment. The 2026 Siri remote is expected to include ultra-wideband technology. This means you can find your lost remote with your iPhone just like an AirTag. Even cooler, the remote might feature contextual touch buttons that change based on what you are doing. If you are watching a movie, the buttons look one way. If you are adjusting your smart lights, they transform into a home controller. This device is also going to be the ultimate border router for Matter and Thread. It will create an unbreakable mesh network in your house, making sure those no-response errors in your home app finally disappear for good. It actively heals your network, bridging gaps between devices that are too far from the router. We also have to look at how Apple is turning the TV into a personal health trainer. By pairing the 2026 Apple TV with your Apple Watch and iPhone camera, the device will use its neural engine to track your movement in real time. It can literally tell you to straighten your back during yoga or bend your knees more during a workout. It turns your living room into a high-tech gym without needing an expensive human coach. This is the moment where Apple Fitness Plus goes from a simple video service to an interactive AI experience. It's a game console, a pro-level cinema player, and an AI health coach all in one box. Apple is betting that you will pay a premium for a device that keeps big tech out of your private life. While Amazon and Google devices are often sold at a loss to get a microphone into your home, Apple is selling you a high-end server. At $149 or $199, it becomes the central hub for everything you do. From gaming with console-quality graphics to managing your entire home's energy usage, the 2026 Apple TV is the most ambitious hardware project Apple has ever attempted for the home. It finally makes the smart home dream a reality by removing the complexity and the creepy factor. In my opinion, this is the most underrated Apple product in a decade. We often focus on the iPhone, But the Apple TV is becoming the most important computer you own because it runs the environment you live in. If you value your privacy and want a home that actually works without lag or errors, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. It is the beginning of a new era where AI doesn't live in a faraway cloud, but right under your TV. This is how Apple wins the war for the living room. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a deep dive into the future of tech. Would you like me to expand on the specific gaming features or the robotic arm rumors for the next part?